The benefit that we get from the Joan units is confidence. It's an innovative solution. I work at Nomura. I am the Senior Vice President of Business Technology and Digital Health. We use Joan to increase our productivity. Our colleagues can book rooms from home and be assured that when they show up, they'll have the space available.
I am the co-founder and CEO of FalconX. So Joan suddenly adds to that dynamic use of additional space. I can't say that of any other technologies that do that. Joan is so easy to install. I don't need anybody. I just stick the Joan device onto the wall, remotely program that, and voila, it's in use.
It's really easy to deploy. It doesn't require wiring, so you can hang a magnet, hang a sign, and be up and running in a very short order.
The battery life lasts anywhere from 4 to 5 months. They're very easy to set up and don't require any user training.
I've been with E-Ink for a little over 10 years. E-Ink's key properties enables Joan device to be the market leader, and there are numerous applications for products such as Joan.
It integrates with Google Calendar, Office 365, it integrates with a lot of other solutions.
The Joan units provide flexibility for our colleagues to have a space to collaborate.
The Joan device is one of the most amazing display technologies out there.
I would absolutely recommend Joan to other businesses.